Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you what that little green triangle in the upper left corner of an Excel cell really means and why you should never ignore it. Open up your spreadsheet and look for any cell with that tiny green triangle in the top left corner. That's Excel trying to warn you. Something in this cell might not be right. It's not an error exactly, it's more of a heads up. Most of the time, it means the data is formatted in a way Excel doesn't expect. For example, when you give it an Excel command like trying to sum a column or use a formula, it might treat that cell like it's empty. So instead of the real value, it shows a value of 0. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, fixing it is easy. Select cells with a green triangle. You will see a little yellow warning icon pop up next to it. Click that icon, and Excel will tell you what is going on and even suggest a solution. For example, if it says number stored as text, just select convert to number. And problem solved. The green triangle disappears, and now the cell works exactly like it should. And that's it. That little green triangle is Excel's way of helping you avoid errors and keep your data clean. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and leave a comment if you have run into this before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.